Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today we're tackling something really core to communication, but maybe a bit overlooked. Verb tenses. Think of them like timestamps, precise timestamps on your words. Make sure everything lands, when it's meant to.
Yeah, it's amazing how just changing the verb totally shifts the meaning, isn't it?
Totally.
You'd be completely lost otherwise. Like, is this happening now, last week, next year? It gives you that timeline.
Exactly that essential timeline. So, okay, our mission today, unpack the big three: present, past, and future.
The fundamentals.
Yeah, get into how they work, maybe some common nuances, so you can really feel confident navigating language timelines. Let's make sure our words hit the mark time-wise.
Sounds like a plan.
All right, let's kick off with the present tense. Now, most people kind of get that it's about now,
Right.
or, things that happen all the time. But there's a subtle difference in there, isn't there, that really matters?
There absolutely is. You've got, well, two main flavors, sort of. The simple present is for your routines, your habits.
Things that are just generally true, like I drink coffee every morning, or the earth goes round the sun. Universal truths.
Right. The regular stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But for what's happening, like right this second, we usually switch to the present continuous. I am speaking now. You are listening. It shows the action is in progress.
Ah, okay. So, I drink coffee is a habit, but if I have a cup in my hand now, I'd say, I'm drinking coffee.
Precisely. It's that in progress versus general fact distinction. It's pretty important for clarity.
Yeah, makes sense. Like, she sings beautifully. That's her talent, generally. But she is singing beautifully right now.
Yeah.
That's about this specific moment. It adds that immediacy.
You've got it. Specificity is key.
Okay, so from the now, we often need to talk about, well, what's already happened? The past?
The linguistic time machine.
Huh? Yeah. The done and dusted stuff?
Yeah.
How does the past tense keep our story straight?
Well, the main workhorse here is the simple past. It's for actions that are just finished, completed.
Doesn't matter if it was 5 minutes ago or 5 years ago. I ate rice yesterday. Eating's over.
Done.
He went to school last Monday. Going's complete. It marks a definite endpoint in the past.
So it's about the completion, the finality, not about like how long it took or anything.
Not with the simple past, no. It just signals this happened and it's finished. A common slip-up is kind of trying to connect it too much to now, but simple past keeps it firmly back there.
Got it. So we watched a movie last night, end of story, popcorn's gone.
Exactly. The watching is done.
Okay, clear. Now, let's look ahead. The future tense, our sentences crystal ball.
That's a good way to put it. Yeah, this is for things we plan or predict or just, expect to happen.
And English has a couple of main ways to do this, right? It's not always straightforward.
That's true. We often use will. That's common for maybe predictions. It will rain later, or promises, I will help you, or even decisions made right on the spot.
Okay, like a spontaneous offer.
Right. But then there's Izamar going to. This one often feels a bit more definite. Like there's already a plan or a strong intention.
Ah, okay. So I'm going to go to the market tomorrow. Sounds more planned than just, I will go.
Often, yes. It suggests you probably already thought about it, maybe decided earlier. It implies that intention or prior plan.
That's a really useful distinction. So I will travel to Paris next year. Could be a dream, a hope.
Or a prediction.
But she's going to visit her grandparents next month. Yeah, that sounds like the arrangements are probably made more certain.
Exactly. It's about signaling that degree of certainty or pre-planning. Subtle, but useful.
Definitely useful.
So you see, getting the hang of these tenses, it's not just about passing a grammar test, is it?
No, not at all.
It's really about making sure what you say is clear, precise. You sound more confident because people know what you mean.
Yeah, you can share your past, talk about right now, lay out your future plans accurately.
Exactly. Describe your reality, share your hopes, tell your stories with the timing spot on.
So you listening, you basically have a 10 superpower now. Or at least you're well on your way.
A superpower. I like that.
Keep noticing them. When you speak, when you listen, it starts to become second nature navigating these timelines. You're already getting better just by thinking about it.
And here's maybe a final thought to chew on. Think about how mastering these little timestamps, these verb changes, it doesn't just let you follow along.
Right.
It really empowers you to author your own story. Your past, your present, your future. You get to place every event exactly where it belongs. You're in control of the narrative timeline. How cool is that?